to my channel. What's up? Little different setting today. So we're gonna be doing a facts or smack.
Smack or fact?
Smack or fact. Challenge the smack or fact. Challenge. Kinda nervous to do this. Come in the bag.
I don't want to pour up on my face.
Yeah, that too. That means I'm like, what wipe off the lip gloss.
I know what stuff.
You sure about it?
Sure.
So we're gonna have 5 questions each or it's like personal questions. So her questions are gonna be about
personal,
her
or just about me.
Well, yeah, just about about the person. So 5 questions about her, 5 questions about me. I ask her the questions about me. If she get them wrong, then she get a lick in her face. Is it?
Slap my ass Steve in a box, yo.
Alright, so I have some powder here. I'm gonna be using powder.
Alright, tell your challenge, you go first.
Okay. I don't have no problems with that.
Oh, yeah, me for go first. Oh, Lord, I forgot. What?
Alright, we have to start off with some powder in our hand.
Alright. Alright.
Don't tell me what to do. Don't tell me what to do.
No, give me more then.
Shami, chill out. It's the same amount. It's just because it's messy.
No.
And I'm aunt. Shami, chill out. It's the same. Me not like this. Alright, the first question is name 2 of my favorite movies. 10 seconds.
No, you can't give it 10. Listen to me now, man. Listen to me. So, 2 of your favorite movies. Wait, think, Shami, think. Can you give me a genre?
What?
No, you can't give me a
It doesn't matter.
I'm really tempted. I don't.
Wait it? Nah. What?
Mommy!
Wait, no, that's cheating.
2 of your favorite movies.
Yeah.
I don't know that.
You give up?
Wait, no. What 2 of your favorite movies?
No, mommy, you can't help her, mommy. You can't. You cannot help her. You cannot help her.
I'm just gonna say 2 movies when I think. Alright.
Okay.
I don't know. Love the Casa thing and Temptation. What 2?
Temptation isn't a favorite. I like it, but it's not a favorite. You could have said Poetic Justice and Love Don't Cost a Thing. What the hell? When I back say that. Osh. I didn't mean to. I didn't know my left hand could go that hard. I did not. I'm sorry. Oh my God, Shami, no, please.
See it, yeah?
Shami.
See it, yeah? My face still a sting me.
Alright.
Oh my God! When did I graduate high school?
Oh, okay, cool. What?
When did I graduate?
You graduated from high school. Like, everybody knows this. Everybody knows this.
Yes, so just
It's
give me the
simple.
year.
You're in second
No,
year.
you're not going to do the calculation right now.
You
Graduated high school in
in 2017. Really expect me to go forget? Come on. You graduated in 2017. Okay, my question again.
I want more powder in this. Can you see when the box are going to come lick you? Alright.
How often do I work out weekly?
That's...
What's the minimum that I work out? And
You
what's
know,
the
you cannot
most that I work
change the
out?
question. You
No,
ask me
it's
one.
the same thing.
No. You ask me one question, another question, I'm going to answer.
The minimum and the most.
You work out 4 days a week.
And what's the most I work out?
You cannot add a question to it. Backside,
Okay, you got
man.
it right. You got it right.
What was my favorite subject?
Nothing. Me know.
So tell me then. Answer me now. Wow, what was that? It's okay.
You liked. You loved.
Answer me now, brother man.
You loved history.
The hell history?
You get 1 in 8.
In a history?
And about history. And you want social biology.
Brother, no, literature was my favorite subject.
We know, we can't tell.
No,
We know. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Move.
Oh my god. Fucking murder. Oh my
I'm pretty
No,
sure.
you cannot do that. You already do it. You already
Why
do it.
move your hand from your face?
Alright, now why my face is so close to your face? Hold on,
When
wait.
I mess up your wig, I have conscience. Turn around.
Oh my gosh.
Move your hand from your face.
Alright, wait. Don't please, my head hurt me. You know I have problems with my head.
Mommy, you when she box
Don't.
me.
If you box my heart,
You see,
listen now, wait up. If you box my hand, my head has start. I'm now carry the rest of the video.
Turn my run.
Alright, go.
What move? Your hand. Put your hand under your body. I'm done. No, if you can't play fear, I'm done.
I'm done. Wait. Yeah, your finger in my neck. I have a concussion. Oh, what is that? You lick me in my ears.
I mean, I like that game. I can't
Oh my god. My teeth hurt. My jawline hurt.
Ask me a question.
My head.
The
Oh
wicked
my
side
god.
lick me bad.
Oh, it's hot for true.
Ask me.
Name how many
It's an idiot.
Name the brands of all the watches I have currently.
Oh, if you know how much I have.
Name the
First
brands.
one more.
I never ask how much. I ask the brand them.
You have one yard watch, one Armani.
You must name all of them.
Son, me what?
No, you can't get me started. You must
Yes,
know
I
me.
name
You're
the
your
brand.
sister. Yeah.
Yes, I name the brand of the watches you have. So all of them come in.
All of them. No, all of them because it's not like a large collection.
What?
It's not a large collection
What,
of
you
watch.
what am I naming? Me not
The
name
brand.
the brands of the watches that you own.
Yeah.
So you have Yard, you have Armani Exchange.
Wrong. I don't have no Armani Exchange.
Come give me back, Sam.
That never add. My Anna slide off for your face.
Talk now, Jam.
I said the
So you
feel.
come.
I said the feel.
What is my favorite thing to get from KFC?
Your favorite thing to get from KFC, Shami? You're very, very versatile with your orders.
Yeah, but what's my favorite thing?
Shami, what not? What you mean? Some days I get wings box.
Me never ask you when we get pants some days. Me ask you what my favorite thing for
Your favorite thing to get a wings box?
No.
Yeah. What the
The
favorite?
Zinger box.
When things you lie and wicked, Shami, just when you start get that.
And it's not my favorite thing. So,
Them lick the hot, Shami. Oh my god. Oh my god. Them lick the hot. Why am I do that video here?
yeah, you box me at first.
I can't do this. And them try my favorite color them.
Red, black, white.
What? First
No,
of all,
red, black, and yellow.
No, you already got it wrong on
No.
you got it wrong on the first try. What the hell are you talking about? Period. Move your hand. Move your hand, girl. Move
No,
your
you
hand.
just box me.
What?
You just box me, so you box me again.
No, but you boxed me a while ago. I lead my face.
Easy no man. Mama tell you.
You get it wrong on the first round, but not the pan.
But me get it right.
No way off it tell me right. No, it no matter. Okay, you
Me
got
get
she
it
said
first.
red, she said red, black and white first. That is incorrect. White is not in it.
But
listen, no, Shami, it is not going to work like this right now. You don't even understand. Your face, they all wear come when your face good. Look there, look how me easy for you. I can't live so much. Yeah, okay.
The first two never easy to one, so don't worry.
But me not lick you at a while ago.
What do I do when I'm bored?
When you're bored, you just live on Instagram, Shami.
I sleep when I'm bored.
Shami, to be no, we're not talking about that is not something really.
Yes, it is.
No.
Then what is
Shami? You ever there on Instagram when you don't have nothing, you just want to lick me. I don't appreciate it.
I sleep when I'm bored.
I don't appreciate it. I really don't.
I sleep when I'm bored.
This girl, oh my god, thanks for not hitting me hard, cause dang.
And you see the energy when I get to reciprocate it, but it's alright. One dirty box me I got gear for last time.
No, she made it hurt me for true.
Take your foot off of me. Take it off.
I have a headache.
What does that have to do with your foot?
Mom, don't look it up. Not getting it.
Why?
What's my favorite meal? Like just general. It doesn't have to be specific. Like oh, definitely me cooking or anything. Just my favorite meal to get. It's not my favorite, but something general, something easy. You know?
Can beef and rice?
Shabby, when I dip on the road, I can't get can beef and rice.
Chicken and rice and peas. Curd water, white rice.
You got it wrong.
What answer?
It is white rice, curry goat with a little bit of fried chicken on the side.
Maybe
well, you never say it though. Every time we go that place, I go get the food that me get. And you know what's that this up.
But we never know that's your favorite.
You know that's my favorite thing. For food, for get generally.
Me never know that. Honestly, me never know that.
Right?
No, me never know that. Me never think it was our favorite thing. The one I'm have it too easy at least me think.
What tell me?
What is my favorite color?
Blue. I honestly never remember if you mentioned I was going to say purple.
Oh, you ever see me in a purple other than from the
I just remember I just spoke to you about that the other day and you were like blue. Yeah, alright. Final question. When was the last time we went on a family vacation?
2016.
Okay, that was easy.
What are they? This and this up on my face in a
style. You look like you belong to a tribe. I would try that.
What one?
Alright guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Let me know if you liked down below. It was just some chill fun, kind of something to step away from the other content for a little bit. You guys know I do my challenges here and there. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Don't forget to share it, comment what other challenges you want to see down below in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe because I upload very frequently both here and I'm doing my best with my vlog channel, so check it out. Yeah, that's pretty much it. You can go ahead and follow
AWC Dimples with a Z on Instagram and Divinity Dimples on YouTube.
Period. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, and thanks for watching again. We'll see you in the next one, or I'll see you in my next video. So bye.